In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font style in Excel by shortcut. This is a quick and efficient way to update the font in a selected cell or across a larger range of data without manually opening menus with your mouse. Using keyboard shortcuts can help you work faster in Excel, especially when you are formatting worksheets regularly. To begin, click on the cell you want to change. If you want to update more than one cell at the same time, highlight the full range of data you want to modify. It is important to make your selection first, because the font change will apply to whatever cells are currently selected. Next, press and release the Alt key on your keyboard. When you do this, Excel will display small letter shortcuts across the ribbon at the top of the window. These are sometimes called key tips, and they let you navigate ribbon commands directly from the keyboard. After that, press the H key to move into the Home tab. The Home tab contains the main text formatting tools, including font settings, size, color, and other common formatting options. Once you are in the Home tab shortcuts, press F and then F again, back to back. This opens the font name drop-down box right away. It is a useful shortcut because it takes you directly to the area where you can choose a different font style without clicking through the ribbon manually. Now type the name of the font you want to use. For example, you can enter a common font like Arial or Sago UI. As you type, Excel will usually auto-complete the font name if it recognizes what you are entering. This can save time and help confirm that the font is available in your version of Excel. When the correct font name appears, press Enter to apply it. Excel will then lock in the new font style for the selected cell or range. If you are working with multiple sections in a worksheet, make sure you confirm the correct cells are selected before pressing Enter so the formatting is applied exactly where you want it. This shortcut is especially helpful when you want to keep your hands on the keyboard and move through formatting tasks more smoothly. That covers everything you need to know.